So ito, security Wi-Fi camera. So this, we will put it somewhere hidden in the house. So it's different from the outside. So yeah, ganun. Ganun lang. Sa panahon ngayon, kailangan natin to. Actually, excited na yung open doon ng asawa ko kasi lang wala pa akong time. So ito, start guide. And let's see kung maro-rotate natin to. Very good. Very good. Can be like this, can be like that. Tilt and rotate like that. Okay. Very good. Exactly. We already have a place where we're going to put this. But we're not going to show it where we're going to put this, of course, for our safety. Diba? So guys, we arrived home and we are going to bumili kami nito kahapon. Yung hairdryer na palagi yung ginagamit kay Beatrice, nasira na. So, open natin ito. Kailangan, kasi especially winter, hindi pwedeng hindi mag-hairdry dito. O kakasakit ka. Laging tutulo yung sipon mo. So, kailangan talaga dito ang hairdryer. Gamit ang hairdryer. Sabi okay lang naman. Yung mga Pilipino ba naman, gusto yung pag lumabas, yung natutulo yung buhok. Pero feeling talaga na naligo, di ba? Ganun tayo. So, dito iba. Ayan. Ay. Feel na feel kasi yun. Kasi pag na-dryer ka, di ba? Pag bagong ligo, no? Parang hindi mo feel na naligo ka. Tingnan natin. Uy. So, tingnan natin. Oh. So, yung para sa buhok mo, paglo na pag-dry ka, ganun-ganun mo sa buhok. Sobrang laki naman ito, Diyos ko. Pang ano naman to, pang African hair. Look at that. So, tingnan natin. Oh, ano dito? Tago natin ito for warranty. Okay din. Medyo mabigat. A bit heavy. The normal. A bit heavy, pero okay na rin. O, diba? Try nga natin to. Wow! What is this? Okay. Not bad, Papa.
What is that gigantomatic with the feet?
I will not use this also. The other one only. This one only for the ano lang. Let's see.
Maybe you have to remove some of the...
No. Virgin pa eh. So, you have to push it. Let's push. Okay. Okay. Good enough. For the price, not bad guys. For the price. It's only 14.99, 15 euros. So, yeah. Cheap. Cheap, but it's good. Okay na yung product nila dun eh. Ano naman. So, ito, ewan ko lang kung gagamitin ito. This is so big. This is when you make like that, the hair, direct, the air will go directly to your scalp. Yes. Example, you don't want to, yeah. This is for the, you know, the
Like massaging and...
You know the African that has the hair that is bulky?
That it will
go inside, it will go inside the scalp right away, that they don't need to, it's not painful.
Interesting system here.
And this one is already okay, at least it will not be removed. That's the product from Lidl.
Speed, heat, and cold air. It's good if the ice is melting.
Yeah, it's good. Not bad. The price kasi hindi mo hindi ka makakita na ng presyo yun dito sa mga normal na store. So yun. Kaya kami minsan nag-aabang talaga sa mga products ng Lidl. Mas ano siya. Okay naman, reasonable yung price nila. Hey guys, kararating na natin galing school. So, bali today, bago kami umalis, ay iniwan ko na yung washing machine para matapos na. Pagbalik namin, ihang ko na lang yung clothes. Yun nga, pagbalik namin, hindi pa rin tapos. Kasi 1 hour lang kami sa labas. Pagbalik namin, ang washing machine ay we have still rotating and rotating. Just good. Hindi pa rin tapos. Ba't kaya? So, kahapon guys, gagawa na tayo ng coleslaw. So, so, ito na yung pagkain natin mamaya. And, magpa-fry lang tayo ng pork. Ayan, naka-marinate na yan. We're waiting for the clothes na magtapos. Ihahang na din natin yun. So, yeah. So guys, that's it. Meron tayo ditong ano, yan. Meron itong pork chop. And this one. And the red one. Oh, let's drink. Let's have lunch. So guys, ngayon ako nagbigay nito kasi galing sa city, nag-ano sila, nag-arana ba. It was during the Three Kings. So yung anak namin may dalang chocolate, plastic, bigay daw sa kanila. So ito, binigay niya sa akin, heart. So since I'm drinking wine, I will eat it. Kasi she's so, Beatrice was so sad that I don't eat it. Because I'm thinking, I will not eat it. I don't want to get the cough. May ko kasi makati sa lalamunan. So, kakainin ko para makita naman niya na kinain ng mama niya yung chocolate na binigay niya. Ano si Beatrice. So, yun. Kainin natin para makita. This is good. With wine. Masarap pa rin yung pandinya sa tutunan. Yung wine. Huwag ko baka ng chocolate. Sino ang magpunga yung mata? Kasi kakainom lang ng wine. So ngayon guys, di pa ako nakugas ng pinggan. Nagpahinga ako ng konti. Kasi nga, tayo ay nahuhubog. Hindi naman ako nahubog. Lipungatan lang sa pag-inom ng wine. Marami kasi kaming wine kasi nung Christmas ay hindi pumunta dito yung in-laws ko dahil nga may nangyari. Uy! May kanin. Diyos ko God. So yun. So yung wine namin, meron pa kaming natira. Tapos meron pa isa kaming bottle na natira. Kaya marami kaming wine pa na inumin. So kaya ganyan. So yun ngayon, ako ay maggagawa ng chocolate cake kasi may nakita akong recipe na isang Filipino and I want to try it. So, it's a moist chocolate cake. So, let's see. Magbibake ako ng cake. So, guys, i-review natin. Kasi meron akong ginayang recipe na mga bakers sa Pilipinas. Kasi ginagawa ko, once na okay yung recipe, I keep the recipe. So, pero, ito nagawa ko na siya. Yung sinabi nila na parang pang-frosting, stable na pang-frosting, ganon. So, I tried. Kasi mahirap naman talaga yung ganache. Tapos, hindi stable. So, I tried. And then, sa cake, tikman natin. Ako yung tikman ko na. So, tikman natin. Ang cake, sobrang tamis. So, they exchange the amount of flour compared to sugar that I used to have. So, mas matamis. And then, when it comes to their frosting, itong frosting naman, okay siya for commercial use. Pero sa taste ko, hindi siya papasa para sa serve ko sa family ko. So, ganyan. Kasi, mahilig ako sa milk and chocolate, as in real milk and chocolate without any other additives. So, yun. Medyo okay naman siya. Pero when it comes to, okay lang. Pang commercial. Lasa. So guys, dahil ayoko doon sa ginawa nilang frosting na ganito, so I don't want to use this one. It's tiring taste. Hindi tayo, no? So gumawa ako ng cream cheese frosting. Yan. Gumawa tayo ng cream cheese frosting. Sabi ko sa inyo hindi ako talaga susunod sa recipe. Kasi yung panlasa ko, Marte. So, anyway. Ito naman, gusto palagi special pag gumawa, diba? Ayoko talaga ng commercialized. Kaya pag kumain kami ng chocolate cake sa labas, parang ayoko. Ay, Diyos ko God. So, ito, this is made with natas and cream cheese. So, sarap. Ang sarap. Kahit sino naman ni cream cheese yan. Parang ice cream. So, ito yung gagamitin ko sa cake. Shusho na yun. Ano yun? Kainin na natin. Natamad ako kumuha ng... Ito guys, tingnan nyo yung pinagagawa ko. Yan, ito yung pinagagawa ko. Yan. Diba? Wala akong turntable nandun. Tinatamad ako kasi palaging may mga gamit-gamit. So yun. Ayaw ko na siyang ilagay sa turntable. Bahala na kayo. Chocolate cake. Ano lang. So guys, we're going to pick up the trees. Yeah, it's okay. It's trying to turn off because pick up na natin sa beauties. Dahil it's already, we started only 4:30. Medyo nagpalit kami ngayon kasi nakapag-coffee kami sa bahay. So hindi na kami lumabas ng maaga. Dahil nakagawa ko ng cake. The cake again. It's the weather today. It's very thick clouds.
Yes.
You can see. Very dark. Yeah. Tapos, it will be raining for the rest of the days. Thursday, Friday. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's so heavy clouds. Yeah. Ooh, that's the sun.
Yeah.
Mr. Sun. Oh, walang car. Okay, so guys, Beatrice is here. What you've got? A crown. This is a celebration of
And this is the January, the New Year.
the New Year. So yeah, that's what
The
you've got.
name is here.
That's the celebration of Three Kings. That's why they've got that. That's the one they use during when they make harana to the city and to the old people's house. No, baby? Yeah?
We use it.
Yeah.
And
So-
to the president.
And to the president. You got early today, no? She said the exam is so easy.
With Sonam.
Yes, I'm too, yes.
The exam is very...
Sonam hold my hand.
The exam is very easy, so that's why.
Mama, the teacher has an extra milk packet. Because today is to make that. And we go to the municipal, and we have to, and we already know who is Bruna, the municipal camera.
I forgot, Beatrice. We forgot to bring the milk package.
It's
Sorry.
okay, I already have one.
Now you have one.
The teacher gave us an extra.
Just thank the teacher, Papa. Later. Really forgot. It's okay. So thank you. Yeah, no? have so many things to do too. Wow, how he overtake. So the weather is betterest.
Mom, it was raining 2 times, and then it always appeared a rainbow.
Yes.
Because there's like sunshine at the side.
Yeah, it is. No, it's nice. The rainbow is so nice, no? You saw too?
Yes.
So full rainbow, no? It's full
We
one.
saw it, and then we saw it in school when we arrived. We saw it when we go outside and play a little after singing. And we saw it when we go to the second floor, so it's free time.
Oh, very good. So guys, ito na yung dessert. But open up your face, baby.
What the hell?
Yeah, we're going to eat. But it says like Oreo. Yeah, it really tastes like Oreo.
What?
Cream cheese. Yeah. Hindi na huwag na siya itong magandahin. Ilalagay mo sa tiyan niya. This is really good actually,
But
guys.
where are the Oreos?
That is really Portuguese. Yeah, this is my food. That is it. Milk and banana and of course bread and ham and cheese.
Mayonnaise and ketchup.
And you? Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.